add some of the secret seasoning to it. Looking good, babe. It's coming on. You see the color coordinate, guys? That's how we do it. Everything is looking beautiful. Green, orange, yellow. Everything is looking good. Whoops. Guys, these are some monster tilapia fish. I don't know, for some reason I can't get any snapper or any parrot, the fish that we use for back home. I can't get them here, but this is the closest to what we like, so
Tilapia.
yeah. This is the closest to what we can get, so yeah. Woo.